Hello guys, Baban on PC here. Um, Most of you are here because you are having a problem with your Battle.net launcher and with especially with the scan and repair button and the infinite loop. So the game just does not want to complete the scan and repair. It just keeps on crashing and you have to do it over again. And you can do it infinite amount of times. It will never work until you do these steps um, that I'm about to show you. So um, I made yesterday the mistake. I found a little bit, a few bugs in the game. So I thought, let's give it a scan and repair and just let the launcher check all the files and see if something is wrong, and so it could repair it. So that was a terrible decision. So I clicked basically on the scan and repair, and it started scanning and repairing until about 95% or 99% of the way. That's when when the scan and repair feature actually crashed. So I thought to myself, let's restart the PC and just try it over again. So I then tried to update the game, scan and repair once again, and like you guess, it crashed again, and then again, and then again. So I tried it a few times, and then I know something is missing. So if you have a problem like that, this is the solution for it. Let's get straight into it. I will walk you through all the steps that you need to do. First off, you need to uh, open where your game is installed. For me, it's at this drive in Games, Battle.net, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So this is the folder that we need. So you will need to go inside the folder, and you will need to delete all these files except the data file. We are going to need to save only the data file, since this is the main directory of the game. This is where the most amount of gigabytes is allocated to. So if you check on properties, you can see this folder alone is 128 gigabytes large. So first off, we need to delete all this below the data. So you would delete all of this, everything. Then also delete the Battle Blizzard browser, that also. And if you have more folders, delete everything, just leave data. Okay, once you deleted this, you need to make sure that everything is closed as far as Battle.net goes. So go into the task manager, terminate all the processes. Then we need to go into the data file. So this is the only file that you are going to have. Once you are in the data file, data folder, you will see there's indices and config and data. So just type here in the search, type .idx and hit enter. It will show you all the IDX files. You need to delete all the IDX files, so everything from it. Then we can move on to the next step. To the index data folder inside, and what we are going to do is sort the folder by size. So once you have it sorted by size, the largest files will be up top and the smallest on the bottom. So this is probably the most important step in this repair. So all these files that are 0 kilobyte and all the way up to until you reach 2 megabytes of space. So for example, like you see here, I will stop right here. I will delete all the files that are below 2 megabytes of size. So you can see here, this one is 2.1 megabytes of size. So we'll need to leave this one alone. All the files below that we will need to delete. So you would delete all these files and leave the rest alone. So once you've done that, you would need to go to your recycle bin and empty the recycle bin. And once you empty the recycle bin, then you need to open the Battle.net launcher. When you open the Battle.net launcher and then do the update that will be here, that will make it now complete, and the download will only be like 10 megabytes or something like that. So just a small amount, and the game will be working perfectly. So that's how I did it for myself, and that's how it worked for me. And I'm very confident that it will help you guys too if you have this problem. So if it did help, please make sure to hit the like, maybe subscribe. I also started streaming just recently on Twitch. So if you like, check out what I'm about. I play a lot of FPS games like Modern Warfare, and I'm just having fun, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching the stream. I will leave all the links in the description, and thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye all.